Guys, kung buying po kayo ng compact SUV na kayang mag-accommodate ng 5 seating capacity na may futuristic and modern look, high-tech features, malakas ang power, maganda ang riding comfort, fuel efficient, maraming safety features, competitive price at 1,548,000. Isa sa pinaka-recommendation ko ay ang 2025 BYD Sea Lion 6. You know why? Napakagwapo. Kamukha po siya ng Porsche Macan. Naka-DMI, ibig sabihin naka-blade battery, can produce more than 200 horsepower. Equip po ito ng LED headlamps with DRL, 360 camera with sensors, front and back po yan. 19-inch alloy wheels, equip po yan ng ventilated disc, front and back. Keyless entry, push start engine with NFC card, panoramic sunroof and moonroof, LED tail lamps. See? With rear view camera and sensors, shark fin antenna, at mataas ang kanyang ground clearance. Inside, sporty and luxurious. Naka-leather na rin po yan. Adaptive cruise control, digital instrument cluster, large touchscreen infotainment na rotating with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth function, wireless charging para sa ating cellphone, push start engine, heated seats, nakarap ito ng leather with Recaro inspired, power po yan, driver and passenger. Large cabin space, very spacious yung ating legroom and headroom. See guys, with AC vents, dual climate control yung ating AC. At higit sa lahat is yung kanyang spacious boot space. Ayan guys. Kayang magkarga ng up to 2 to 3 sacks of rice at kaya ding maglagay dito ng one large golf bag. Ayan guys. So in case na interesado po kayo sa bagong BYD Sea Lion 6, comment down below or i-follow nyo ako sa aking Facebook page, The Carlon Expert, or punta kayo dito sa BYD BGC.